Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how you can create a poll on Instagram. Alright guys, on Instagram there are two options to create a poll. So the first one is creating a poll on Instagram story, and the second one is creating a poll on Instagram group chat. And here I have uploaded a photo to my Instagram story, and if you want to add poll to your Instagram story, the first thing we have to do is clicking on the sticker option right here. Then you are going to select poll since we want to create a poll. So this is the poll option, just tap on it. Then you can start ask question right here, and for example I'm going to add this question: is your favorite? Okay, and you can add the option right here guys. So for example I'm going to add brown, blue, and black. And then when you're done, you just need to click on done option right here. And then you can place the poll to the part of the story that you want. You can also zoom in or zoom out like this. Okay, and after you're done, you can share this poll to your Instagram story by clicking on your story right here. All right, and now the poll has been shared to our Instagram story. And then if you want to add poll or create a poll on your Instagram group chat, you can go to the Instagram direct message right here. And then you can open your group chat. And for example, I'm just going to open this group chat. And then if you want to create a poll, you can simply click on the sticker button. Then you can click on the sticker button again. Then you can select poll. And you can start creating the poll right here. And then after you are done, you just need to click on create poll. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a poll on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.